In today's video, I will walk you through how to compare multiple charts on investing.com. Ever waste precious minutes frantically switching tabs to compare Bitcoin against Ethereum or Apple against the broader S&P 500? Stop doing that. Comparing assets side by side is the ultimate way to spot market correlation, relative strength, and hidden trading opportunities. Today, we're breaking down how to set up and master multi-chart views on investing.com in under 3 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to investing.com and open up any interactive chart. Once your chart loads, look right up at the top toolbar. You'll see a grid icon labeled Chart Layout. Click that and you'll unlock a layout menu, allowing you to split your screen into 2, 4, or up to 8 different windows simultaneously. For most day traders and macro watchers, a clean 2x2 grid is the sweet spot. It gives you enough space to watch multiple assets without shrinking your indicators into oblivion. Now that your grid is active, click into any individual pane. Use the ticker search bar at the top of each window to load up different assets. For instance, put Tesla in box 1 and the NASDAQ index in box 2. Here is where the magic happens. You can set distinct timeframes for each window, like looking at a daily chart on the left and a 15-minute execution chart on the right. Layer on your favorite technical indicators, like the RSI or moving averages, independently for each asset. And you're done. No more tab overload. When you find a setup you love, hit the Snapshot icon in the corner to instantly save or share your multi-chart analysis. And that's how to compare multiple charts on investing.com.